Okay, YouTubers, little heads up. Old tip, soldering tip, they always just break. You go to the store and they want like $8 for a new one. Well, you can make it up with 12 gauge wire. Grab some 12 gauge wire and just bend it up, turn it on, get it real hot, put it in some flux, tin it up, and boom, you're done. So basically, this little strand of wire which everybody's got laying around, you got 3 tips. I wish I would have knew this earlier. It's on YouTube, but I figured I'd just put it out there for you guys. Alright, that's it. I'm out.